Oo, malapit na rin yung season eh. Magre-reset naman na yan eh.
The enemy is banning.
Lods, pabuhat pag end na ng season. Oo, no, wala. Papabuhat ako sa'yo, sir.
Your team is banning.
Kung mag-marksman eh. Di sila makapag-decide kung sino yung baban nila eh. Si Kufra na lang o kaya si ano.
The enemy
Ari?
is banning.
Epic. Oo, epic naman lahat. Ang alam ko, epic lahat ata bagsak. Or legend. Alam ko, epic eh. Epic din ang
Your
bagsak ko nun
team
eh.
is banning.
Gusto mo ba mag-cloud ako? Baka maban tayo eh. Pag nag-cloud tayo eh. Sige. Mag-ano tayo. Magka-cloud tayo, sir. Pag naban ako, John Matthew, dahil sa cloud ko, ewan ko lang.
Is picking.
GG. Oh. Legend 5 ang bagsak pag 100 stars up. Sige, abutin natin yan. Magko-cloud yung kakampi. Ito muna. Yan muna. Tapos, Grok.
Rock. The enemy is picking.
Leomord.
Please pick a hero.
Claude.
Bigyan na natin yung cloud.
Harley.
The enemy is
Oo, guys. Okay lang naman basta may loyal supporter tayo. Hindi naman tayo yung tipong guys, yung talagang solid streamer. Baga, instead na naglalaro ka, di-stream mo na lang din.
Please pick a hero.
Ako po, ang kakati nila, sir. Naka-mage na rin kasi ito eh.
Mincetar.
O choice, Mincetar na nga. Mukhang makakati yung kalaban natin. Game. Nope. Ay, yung FB name, hindi ko sinasabi, sir eh. Uy, grabe, Netherlands number 5 Kaja. Mga VPN user tong mga to ah. Ito Pampanga number 28 Chu. Kahit yan.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Swiftness is my hallmark.
Request backup!
Traitors. They're all dead.
Request backup!
Swiftness is my
Request
hallmark.
backup!
Traitors.
Naku po, nanakawin pa tayo.
They're all dead.
Bagal yung Kaja.
First blood! An enemy has been slain! An enemy has been slain! Initiate retreat!
I stand my ground. Take another step, and you'll
Request
regret it.
backup!
May ako nabasahin yung mga comments nyo guys ha. Intense tong game eh. Okay ba yan?
Loyalty is the greatest glory.
Initiate retreat!
Take another step.
Turtle
and you'll
resurrecting
regret it.
soon. An ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
Swiftness is my hallmark.
You have been slain.
An invincible king does not exist. Traitors.
Thanks sa mga nag-share guys.
They're all dead.
Ano nangyari sa team namin?
Request backup.
None can penetrate my golden shield.
An ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
Death is the least of my worries.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
I stand my ground.
Launch attack! An enemy has been slain.
Ay, paibigay yung gold ah.
Swiftness is my hallmark.
An enemy has been slain.
Death is the least of my worries.
Request backup.
Intense!
None can
Sana
penetrate
dumami
my
po supporter loads. Oo. Dadami yan sir kasi nito lang tayo eh. Start.
Enemy killing spree. Enemy rampage. Shut down. Double kill. Our turret has been destroyed. Shut down. Enemy double kill. Shut down. An ally has been slain. Launch attack.
Loyalty is the greatest glory.
Our turret is under attack. have slain an enemy.
Shoutout Lods. Shoutout kay Justin. Shoutout kay Hero
Ally
Orly.
has been slain. Turtle
Hello sa'yo.
resurrecting soon.
Asim nung nung Lunox. Kala mo naman, mahusay.
Loyalty is the greatest glory.
Launch attack.
Take another step, and you'll regret.
The enemy has slain the turtle. An ally has been slain.
Loyalty is the greatest glory.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Muna
Our
pa yung
turret
chuk.
is under attack. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Enemy killing spree.
Wala ang problema namin guys, naiwan sa top yung MM.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Traitors.
Tayong din yung Kaja guys, takot na
They're
takot
all
manghila. Sobrang na
An
tayo
ally
dito.
has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed.
I stand my ground.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Sayang.
Traitors. They're all dead. Take another step, and you'll regret it.
Initiate retreat.
Death is the least of my worries.
An ally has been slain.
Swiftness is my hallmark.
Our turret is under attack. Slain. An ally has been slain. Enemy double kill. Enemy rampage. Shut down.
Loyalty.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Wala rin tayo matutulong guys dun sa kanila eh.
Swiftness is my hallmark.
Dalawang class S na
An
Di pa rin
ally
ano.
has been slain.
sayang yung yung
Take another step.
Grok at saka yung
You'll
Kaja,
regret it.
hindi nila maayos. Hindi nila maayos gamitin. Tay-tay. Bubu kasama, sabi pa ng Grok. Siya na nga tong walang magawa sa Clash eh. Easy.
Loyalty.
An enemy has been slain. Our turret is under attack.
Di pa ako pupunta dun, di pa makapatay
Initiate
yun.
retreat.
Swiftness is my hallmark.
Enemy killing spree. Enemy killing spree. Enemy double kill. Shut down. Enemy triple kill. You have slain an enemy.
Bibigat sir, mabibigat!
Your turret is under attack.
RG tayo yeah. Naka-share na. Yan, tingin-tingin sa pag-share guys.
Destroyed a turret.
Tumal ng mga kakampi guys. Sayang yung Kaja at saka yung Grok, di nila lang gamitin.
They're
Nauna kasi
all
yung
dead.
trash talk nila eh, bago yung sa galawan nila eh. Trash talk muna bago skill. Daw
Loyalty
yun.
is the greatest glory. Traitors. They're all dead. Death is the least of my worries.
Request backup. The enemy has slain Lord. Initiate retreat.
Pulpe.
You have been slain. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Enemy double kill. Enemy rampage.
Wala magawa yung mga tropa, sir.
Enemy dominating.
Tingin sa mga nag-share, kila Kev Villacruz, kila John Matthew Vicente.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Our
Nangyayari.
base is under attack.
Stand my ground.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. You have slain an enemy.
Ako po. Bibigat. Nauna yung mga trash talkan nila, guys. Ayun, GJ.